This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Michael Pappas. Updated 2-story home with a partially finished basement. Beautiful updated kitchen with Grainte countertops and backsplash. All hardwood floors on the main level. New tile floor in the laundry room. New door to the large deck on the main level. There also is a beautiful patio off the basement room. Crown molding. 2017 HVAC unit. New ceiling fans in all of the bedrooms. New water heater. New PAX plumbing throughout the home. Ring front door camera. There is lots of extra storage in this home, some in the basement and some above the garage. Convenient location and great schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Pappas at 865-693-1111.